So,
Okay.
I have a little bit of good news, but then the good news is leading me to my question for you. So,
Okay.
Angie's List reached out to me
Mhm.
on Monday, and then I randomly saw one of your videos where you went and you showed how to go on Facebook and like pull up property managers, pull up churches. So I did that, and a property manager for a subdivision near me that has homes ranging from $500,000 to $800,000 reached out to me to be their primary clean. It's a new subdivision.
Ooh,
New
hold
construction.
up for that. Okay.
So I meet with her on Monday. But saying all that, now I need your service agreements so I can tweak them.
Right.
I was just like, my mind is blown right now because I was like, I ain't ready for this step. Well, I'm ready, but I wasn't prepared. But I'm definitely ready.
But sometimes you just got to take a leap of faith and you just got to jump in there and do it, or else you'll be procrastinating forever.
Exactly.
So, I mean, sometimes it takes for you to get that reaction, get that contract for you to even have fire behind your behind. You know what I mean? To lift that fire, lift you up and get you motivated to even get the service agreement and find the workers to do the account. You know what I
So
mean?
that's the second thing. I have probably 4 people right now, but I'm going to reach out to a young lady my daughter knows who has a staffing agency to see if she has people that can be like contracted in to do the work.
Okay. Sounds good. So the only thing that you are looking for is a service agreement to give them?
Service for residential and commercial. And then I had a question about, do I need to have people bonded? I'm not sure.
Okay, so this is how it works. You're going to ask them for a certificate of insurance, okay? I'm surprised they didn't send you to a compliance company. Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry. I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know. You may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th. 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it. Along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all of my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there and network and ask them all the questions that you want to ask, get their phone numbers, and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas. Because that's what they usually do. They'll usually say that they have a compliance company and they'll send you to the compliance company and you'll upload your insurance documents to their website.
Now that may be coming. I meet with her on Monday.
Okay. So it's either going to go that way, or they need to provide you with a sample certificate of insurance that has all of the limits that you need to have, because you may not need certain things. Like I said before, you certain things you may not need. They might just want to see that you have general liability insurance, which is good because it's cheaper for you. So I always advise people, don't go out there and just get all this stuff. When you win the contract, it might not even require you to have certain things. You know what I'm saying? And in the beginning, you're not making that much money to afford a lot of different stuff on your insurance, you know? So you want to keep it down as possible. So you would have to ask them what the limits that you need to have. And when they provide you a sample certificate of insurance, you'll take that, give it to your insurance broker, and tell him to give you a quote for it. Okay, so you will say, hey, I need to get $1 million insurance, general liability. That's all they want. Tell him to match it. Okay. Perfect. And it shouldn't cost that much. But usually for those properties, well, it depends. You know, if it's a property management company, they may ask you for general liability, automobile insurance, and they may ask for workers' comp. They might, but let's hope they don't.
Let's hope they don't. I can't get it. Well, I've only gotten one quote from Hartford, and they're like, "Ixnay, you can't get it because I can't get it." They say I can't get it because I don't have the experience cleaning. Now, have I cleaned all my life? Yeah, but I've never owned a cleaning company.
Man, you try again, because I think I dealt with this in the beginning too, but you have to talk to a lot of different insurance brokers. Matter of fact, the best ones to talk to is people that are like the smaller companies. You know, I can give you someone. I can give you Justin's number. Just email him and ask him for a quote. He's with Internet Insurance, and he actually helped me out when I first started because I was having hell trying to get insurance. Let's see. Where's the chat at?
Where's Mr. Maker tonight?
She right here, child.
I'm sorry, I'm right here, honey. I was in there cooking. I made some stuffed bell peppers tonight, honey.
Oh, nice.
Right, and I just put his email right there in the chat, so you can hit him up and ask him for a quote. And what he does, he's a broker, so it's good when you go with the brokers because they can shop you around, you know, to different companies. It's a lot harder when you go straight to the big boys like Liberty Mutual. Like when you go straight to them, it may be a little harder for you.
Okay.
So yeah, just keep that in mind and ask him. And if he doesn't respond to your email, just keep blowing him up. Sometimes I have to keep bugging him.
Okay. I'm going to email him while I'm sitting in this meeting with you all. Because when I go on Monday to meet with this young lady, I want to be relatively prepared.
Right. Right. And as far as your service agreement that you give her, when you do this meeting with her on Monday, you are going to go there and you're going to give her, you're going to take down as many notes as possible. Okay. You need to know whether she has a checklist, whether she has a scope of work on exactly what needs to be done, because you're going to take all of this information and you're going to implement it inside of your service agreement. Okay. So really, you're going to go and ask her like, how much work can you be expecting to get every month? Okay. You're going to be asking her, does she have a scope of work? If she doesn't, then you can create your own, but she does need to let you know, like, what does she expect? What is her expectations? Okay. If she's one of those property managers that's just like, I don't care. I just want it done. You're the professional. So if she's like that, then you pull a generic move in, move out checklist out. Okay. They're all standard. They're all kind of the same, but some people have their own checklist where they're like, after you leave, you have to have the thermostat on 78, and they're like real specific with certain things. You know, so just ask questions about the scope of work. and also about chemicals. Make sure you ask her about chemicals. Are there any specific type of chemicals that you guys don't want us to put on your floors or to use in your property, or does it not matter? Okay, so that's another question that you can ask her. Other than that, just keep collecting data from her, and then give me your email, and I'll send you a service agreement for a property manager for the move and move outs.
Can you send me 3? I know I'm bugging you, but
you okay?
Can you send me that one, the residential and commercial?
Okay. All right. Just drop your email in there, and
I'm doing it as we speak.
Yeah. And you remember how I told you to open it, right?
I believe I do. Going to Google Docs.
Google Docs. Yeah. That's how you open it and tweak it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Was that all your questions?
For now.
Okay. What else you got?
I think that was. Yeah, let me go back on my notes and see if I had something. Is there a specific things you have to do on new construction, like specific chemical, specific type of cleaning to do for new construction?
For new construction, I'm not the expert in that. I've done a couple of them, and I would say for new construction, you definitely need a backpack vacuum, because to me, it's more so about sucking up as much construction dust as possible. Okay, because that could be a really, really sickening clean. You'll find yourself mopping, it'll dry up white, and then you have to mop again, then it'll dry up white. If you're not doing it properly, you understand, it can kind of be a tedious thing. So backpack vacuums, wet vacs are a must in those cleans. Okay. I don't never find myself using harsh chemicals when it's new construction, because a lot of times those houses are new and you're not gonna face mildew and stuff like that, if that makes any sense. So it's more so of a thorough cleaning, a thorough wipe down of everything from top to bottom, including wiping down the walls, because construction dust is everywhere at this point. Okay. So you have to really pay attention to details. This is a home, right? It's a house.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You really have to pay attention to details like the light fixtures, it's everywhere. Dust is everywhere at this point. Okay. So it's more so, it's a detailed type of cleaning, but a backpack vacuum, wet vac, you're definitely going to need that.
Okay.
You're going to need a lot of rags, a lot of paper towels. Okay. To get that dust up.
Gotcha.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So when are you going to be doing the construction? When are you going to be doing it?
I meet with her on Monday.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. This is the same lady. Okay.
Yeah. So the Angie's List people, they called me this Monday that just passed. And so I've gotten 3 leads, from them, but I've not been able to get in touch with those people. One of them wanted just a one-time clean, and 2 wanted a bi-weekly clean. So I just shot them an email right before I got into this meeting.
Okay. When did they reach out to you?
Today.
They reached out today. Okay. Just make sure you stay up on top of them, because just remember, when people reach out, we want to contact them as soon as possible. You know what I mean? Because they're looking for a cleaning company, and they're just going down the list, and they're really going to give their money to the first person that wows them.
Right.
So yeah, keep following up with them if they haven't found anyone yet by tomorrow. Just keep on following up. Hey, stop right there. If you're a cleaning business owner and you're looking for a community to join of like-minded entrepreneurs just like you, that think just like you, and everybody is on the same wave, make sure you tap into our new community. It's called the Cleaners Club. Tap into our community. I go live in the community every week, okay? Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. Wednesdays at 8 o'clock Eastern, I go live and you can ask me anything you want for a live Q&A, okay? Not only that, but I also implemented our courses inside of our community, okay? For $55 a month, you got our courses. I put our forms in there, and you get to talk to me, and you get to join our challenges, okay? So we do challenges every week. You can win prizes, you can win leads. You just have to do the challenge, all right? So make sure that you guys are tapping in. Click the link in bio, click the link in description, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.